We've made some significant progress on our 1953 Studebaker Champion project. When this car came in, it had kind of a cool electric power steering upgrade, but the front suspension design was just a mess. So in order to remedy that, we enlisted some parts from Scott's Hot Rod Shop, and this is what we ended up with.
Previous driving experience, it was, I would describe it as twitchy. The electric assist on the original suspension, there was nothing in the steering wheel.
We installed a Scott's front end to give the customer a better ride and better steering articulation down to the gearbox. Main key to getting this set up properly is get the car leveled up, get yourself a baseline before cutting the original frame off. Take all your measurements, get your square. Then when you come back, this isn't going to be the same exact size as what you took off. So you have to use those dimensions you had previously in order to accommodate, make up for all the new parts you're going to install.
The new geometry of the new front subframe is completely different than that which was developed by Studebaker. It allows for more adjustability, better returnability with the steering wheel, better caster camber. Basically, all the alignment specs are completely redone in relation to what Studebaker gave us.
So the kit comes with the two tubes, as you see here, but we did do some modifications. We had to chop and modify to install the bumper. We had to custom make these brackets here to install a sway bar. And in this cut we made, we cut just in front of the engine mount and then sectioned in. All these sections here we graphed in order to strengthen this front stub to support the weight of the engine and front end of the Studebaker here.
We were pretty happy with the way the Scott's Hot Rod front suspension came together. It packages really nice, it's got high quality components, jig, fixtured and welded control arms, revised geometry, a quality coilover shock and spring combination, all the things you want for a car that you're going to drive. So now that the front suspension is looking great, the rest of the car still needs a little bit of help, but we're going to get there. Right now this has been body worked and you can see the guide coat primer, which means we're getting close to spraying color on our Studebaker project. You can follow along at our website at V8 Speed Shop, or if you have some cool old car that needs anything from suspension or an engine to a repaint or upholstery, you can contact us anytime. You might even call us. You never know who's going to pick up the phone.
You'll get to talk to me firsthand.